Hello friends, welcome to my channel Scientist Words. I'm your friend Ashwin. Today we're going to talk about biodegradable plastics, the green revolution tackling our plastic problem in this video. Welcome to the cutting edge of sustainability. Today we are diving into the world of biodegradable plastics, materials that could be the key to solving our massive plastic pollution problem. Imagine a world where plastic doesn't linger in our oceans for centuries, but instead breaks down naturally, returning to Earth. There's a promise of biodegradable plastics. We're not just talking about a single material, but the whole range of innovative substances designed to provide the convenience of plastic without the long-term environmental impact. From compostable shopping bags to medical implants that dissolve in the body, these materials are revolutionizing how we think about plastic. So let's unwrap this exciting technology and see how it's shaping a more sustainable future. Let's break down the world of biodegradable plastics. First, we have bio-based plastics made from renewable resources like corn starch or sugarcane. These include materials like PLA, polylactic acid, which you might find in a compostable cutlery. Then there are biodegradable plastics made from petroleum, which are chemically engineered to break down. An exciting category is PHAs, polyhydroxyalkanoates, which are produced by bacteria and are fully biodegradable in many environments. It's important to note the difference between biodegradable and compostable. While all compostable plastics are biodegradable, not all biodegradable plastics are compostable. Some need special industrial facilities to break down properly. It's like having a wardrobe of eco-friendly options, each suited for different uses and disposable methods. So, how do these materials actually break down? Unlike conventional plastics, which can persist for centuries, biodegradable plastics are designed to be broken down by microorganisms like bacteria and fungi. This process can happen through composting, in soil, or even in marine environments, depending on the specific material. The speed of breakdown depends on various factors: temperature, moisture, and the presence of right microbes. In ideal conditions, some biodegradable plastics can break down in a matter of months. Others might take a few years. It's important to note that the environment matters a lot. A biodegradable plastic bag might break down quickly in an industrial composter but take much longer if it ends up in the ocean. Think of it like feeding different foods to your compost bin. Some break down quickly, others take more time, but eventually they all return to nature. Biodegradable plastics aren't just for eco-friendly shopping bags. They are finding applications across a wide range of industries. In packaging, they are being used for everything from food containers to shipping materials. In agriculture, biodegradable mulch films can be plowed into the soil after use, reducing plastic waste in farming. The medical field is using biodegradable plastics for sutures that dissolve in a body and for controlled drug delivery systems. Even the fashion industry is getting in on the action. With biodegradable textiles and shoe soles, it's like having a sustainable Swiss Army knife. These versatile materials are providing eco-friendly alternatives in almost every sector. The goal is to maintain the functionality of traditional plastics while dramatically reducing their environmental impact. Now, let's talk about the big picture. How do biodegradable plastics stack up environmentally? The most obvious benefit is reduced plastic pollution. Unlike traditional plastics that break down into harmful microplastics, biodegradable plastics can fully decompose. Many bio-based plastics also have a lower carbon footprint as they are made from renewable resources that absorb CO2 as they grow. However, it's not all smooth sailing. We need to consider the land and resources used to grow the raw materials for bio-based plastics. There is also the challenge of proper disposal. Biodegradable plastics need the right conditions to break down effectively. It's a complex equation, and the life cycle assessments are crucial to understand the true environmental impact. The key to using these materials wisely and ensuring they end up in the right place after use. While biodegradable plastics offer exciting possibilities, they are not without challenges. Performance can be an issue. Some biodegradable plastics aren't as durable or heat resistant as their traditional counterparts. This can limit their use in certain applications. Cost is another factor. Biodegradable plastics are often more expensive to produce, which can be a barrier to widespread adoption. Then there is an infrastructure challenge. Many biodegradable plastics require industrial composting facilities to break down properly, and these aren't available everywhere. We also need better systems to separate biodegradable plastics from other recyclables. Finally, there is a human factor. Consumers need to understand how to properly dispose of these materials. It's like introducing a new recycling system. It takes time, education, and changes in behavior to make it work effectively. The field of biodegradable plastics is evolving rapidly with exciting innovations on the horizon. Researchers are exploring new materials like algae-based plastics and mycelium mushroom root packaging, which offer even more sustainable alternatives. There is a big push to develop plastics that can biodegrade effectively in marine environments, addressing the critical issue of ocean plastic pollution. We are also seeing creative combinations like edible packing that's both biodegradable and nutritious. The ultimate goal is to create closed loop systems where these materials can be a part of a true circular economy. Imagine a world where your plastic waste becomes food for the next generation of biodegradable products. It's an exciting time in material science, and these innovations could reshape our relationship with the plastic. And there you have it, the promising world of biodegradable plastics. We have seen how these innovative materials could help tackle our plastic pollution crisis while still proving the convenience we have expect from the plastics. From shopping bags to medical implants, biodegradable plastics are opening up new possibilities for sustainability across industries. But remember, they're not a silver bullet. Truly solving our plastic problem requires a multi-faced approach, reducing overall plastic use, improving recycle systems, and widely implementing biodegradable alternatives where they make the most sense. As consumers, we play a crucial role. By understanding these materials, disposing of them correctly, and supporting their development, we can help shape a more sustainable future. The plastic revolution is happening now, and it's biodegradable. So stay curious, stay informed, and next time you see a biodegradable product, you will know you are looking at a little piece of the future. Thank you very much for watching this video. We hope you enjoy learning about biodegradable plastics, the green revolution tackling our plastic problem. Innovative solutions are paving the way for a cleaner, more sustainable planet. Together, we can reduce waste and protect our environment. Thanks again for watching this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.